There are a lot of image generators out there, and Canva is pretty darn good. So here I am in my infographic, and I'm going to go down to generate your own. Click on that, and in the description window, I want to be as precise as possible. So I'm going to type out a great white shark eating pepperoni pizza. Let's see what I get here. Hit the generate button, purple one at the bottom. And now it's thinking and it's generating for me. And we're going to see what happens. Now, if I was using regular Canva, this would cost me credits. And it's costing me credits here too. Oh, here's one image I like. Put this one right aside. And I can drag this all the way down to the bottom. But you're going to notice I'm going to lose that pepperoni pizza right there. So I might want to just leave it halfway up. If I don't like any of these images, I can click the generate again. Now, I talked about credits a second ago. I used 1 credit out of 499 credits, and my credits refresh on 5/31. What does that mean? Because I'm a teacher, I get credits every month. That's why it's important to log in as a teacher. Thanks for watching, and if you hit that subscribe button, you'll get more videos about Canva.